All right, this is your final review number 6 and 7. We are solving the equations using square roots. I'm going to rewrite my equation just so I have some more space. So we have 4x squared plus 65 equals 81. Now we're really just trying to get x squared by itself. So I'm going to start by subtracting 65 from both sides. When I do that, I'm left with 4x squared. These guys cancel. Equals 81 minus 65. And if I type that in my calculator, it gives me 16. Then we're still trying to get x squared alone, so I need to get rid of my 4. To do that, I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And when I do that, I get x squared equals 4. My last step is to take the square root of both sides. And when I do that, I get x equals 2. Remember, when you do the square root like this, you get plus or minus 2. So my two solutions would be x equals 2 and x equals negative 2. And those are the solutions to my equation. This one we're doing the same thing. We're going to add 9 to both sides. And when I do that, we get x squared equals 9. Then again, to get rid of our squared, we're going to take the square root. And we get x equals plus or minus 3. So again, my solutions would be x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. And that's 6 and 7.